Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried running TikTok ads, you already know how tricky it can be to find the right keywords and hashtags that actually drive results. You can spend hours testing, scrolling through ads, and guessing what works, but what if you could see exactly which keywords are performing best right now across TikTok's entire ad network? That's exactly what Tik Analyzer's ad keyword generator does. This tool gives you instant access to the top-performing keywords and hashtags inside TikTok ads, along with over 14 data metrics that matter like popularity, click-through rates, conversion rates, cost per action, total ad spend, impressions, likes, comments, and shares. Instead of relying on trends or guesswork, you get real performance data straight from the source. You can search by keyword or phrase, then narrow it down using powerful filters over 100 countries, more than 250 industries, different ad objectives, formats, and time periods. Whether you're running an e-commerce campaign, a brand awareness ad, or trying to drive conversions, you can find what's working for others in your niche right now. And here's where it gets even more interesting. When you double-click any keyword, the tool reveals 5 more detailed data grids. You'll see actual ads using that term, related and breakout keywords, trending hashtags with ranks and momentum, and even where that keyword performs best geographically. It's like opening the hood on the entire TikTok ad system and seeing what really makes it tick. If you're serious about improving your TikTok ad performance, the ad keyword generator is one of those tools that can completely change how you plan and optimize your campaigns. It's not just data, it's direction, and it shows you exactly where success is happening right now.
Instantly analyze top keywords directly from the TikTok advertising network, pulling in 14 powerful data metrics, including popularity, click-through rates, conversion rates, costs, and so much more. Search by keyword. Select from over 100 countries and hundreds of different industries, as well as objectives and types over different periods. Then double-click any keyword to bring up 5 more powerful data grids, providing even more deeper insights, such as related and breakout keywords or hashtags, as well as where the keyword has performed the best within the entire TikTok ad network.